Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of balcony gardening, exploring how you can transform your compact outdoor space into a lush haven bursting with fresh, homegrown goodness. Imagine the delight of picking fresh vegetables right from your own container garden on your balcony. Not only does balcony gardening provide you with fresh produce, but it also adds a green oasis to your urban living space. The convenience, the taste, and the joy of growing your own food is unparalleled. Let's uncover the art of cultivating 7 delightful vegetables right outside your door. First on our list is tomatoes. When planting tomatoes on your balcony, make sure they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily and are grown in well-draining soil. Water them regularly, maintaining the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Moving on to eggplants, these love large containers filled with rich, well-draining soil. They share the tomatoes' love for sunlight and regular watering, ensuring the soil doesn't dry out between waterings. Next up, bell peppers. Bell peppers thrive in warm, sunny conditions, so choose a spot on your balcony that receives full sunlight. To cultivate these vibrant veggies, use a nutrient-rich potting mix and water consistently, especially during hot weather. Moving on to zucchini and summer squash, the versatile zucchini adds a touch of abundance to your balcony garden. These speedy growers need a large container filled with fertile soil. Deep watering is crucial, along with providing support for their vines and ensuring good air circulation to stave off diseases. With proper care, your balcony will be overflowing with fresh squashes in no time. Peas require cooler temperatures, so plant them in early spring or late summer. Little climbers appreciate a sturdy trellis to latch onto and a consistently moist but not waterlogged soil. Mulch around the plants to retain that precious moisture. Now, let's shift our attention to herbs. Basil, rosemary, mint. They all love well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. And don't forget to harvest regularly. This not only provides you with a fresh supply of herbs, but also encourages bushy growth and prevents bolting. Finally, let's talk about salad greens. Salad greens, such as lettuce, spinach, and arugula, are perfect for balcony gardens. These leafy wonders thrive in shallow containers filled with nutrient-rich soil. The secret to their success lies in consistent watering, which keeps the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Remember, too much water can be just as harmful as too little. Harvest them as baby greens, or let them mature for a fuller flavor. Now that we've covered each of these 7 vegetables, you're ready to start your own balcony garden. Growing your own vegetables on a balcony is not just rewarding, but also a fun and healthy activity. From the sun-loving tomatoes to the cool peas and the low-maintenance herbs, there's something for every green thumb. Embrace the joy of balcony gardening and savor the taste of fresh, homegrown produce. Let your balcony be your oasis of greenery and flavor. Happy gardening, and see you next time!